Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by assembling the right tools and creating a clean workspace. This saves time and prevents damage. Use a soft pad to protect the crystal and remove the strap to expose the case back. Once done, identify whether the back is screw down or press fit, then open carefully with the corresponding opener, avoiding gouges. Make sure to keep the gasket and any loose screws in a small tray, because losing tiny parts is the fastest way to extend the repair time. You now inspect the movement closely under the loop to find broken pivots, missing screws, or dirt. Why this matters is obvious. Precision parts need exact alignment. If quartz, measure the battery voltage and replace with the correct cell. Low voltage causes skipping. If mechanical, remove hands and dial only if necessary, then use a blower and pegwood to remove debris and apply minimal watch oil to designated points. Move parts gently. Excessive force bends delicate levels. You finish by reassembling in reverse order, pressing hands on square to ensure they clear the dial and each other. Make sure the gasket sits correctly and apply a thin film of silicone grease for water resistance before closing the case. This preserves future service intervals. Once sealed, wind or set the movement and observe timekeeping for 24 hours to confirm stability. If it stops or runs erratically, check hand friction and battery seating first. Those two issues cause most post-service failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.